Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to recalculate normals in Blender. So if you would like to do it, we need to go to overlays on the upper corner, and then we are interested in to select this one option, face orientation. It will let you to show the face orientation overlay. So I select this one option, and then you will see situation like that. So now we need to go to edit mode, and we need to select this one mode, face selection mode, that will help us to make specific action. So now I select this object and I use shortcut from my keyboard Alt N. And here you have two options, recalculate outside or recalculate inside. Which one you will use depends on the effect that you want to achieve. So I select here recalculate outside, and like you see, these settings have been successfully implemented. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to recalculate normals in Blender, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thanks you for watching.